Hi there, welcome to week 2 of English Language Arts, 12th grade. This is quarter 3. This week we'll be starting the novel 1984. In 1984, Orwell presents a disturbing glimpse into Oceania. That's where it takes place. And it's a futuristic world, even though the title is 1984. It was futuristic at the time that it was written. And we have this conformity that is happening in society, and it's achieved and maintained mostly because the individuals are scared and the fear keeps them in the environment that they find themselves in. Um, his novel stands as a testament to the importance of education and critical thinking, um, and therefore it's pretty appropriate with what's going on in the world today. So it's going to be kind of interesting to hear your comments and things that you're going to be working with. So let's go to the module, and you're first going to see the overview here, and you can click on that and it will have this video, a link to this video. It will also have the standards that we'll be meeting. In addition, it will have a review of everything that you'll be turning in for this week. Please remember that you are welcome to complete the assignment in any of the testing locations. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me or excuse me, to email me with this email address, or you can message me through the Canvas messaging system as well. Okay. Also in Canvas, you're going to find, let me just move my face here. You're going to find that you can access the next assignment by just clicking on this next button here. So our next assignment then is going to be the reading requirements, and I'm going to put you guys up here. It's going to be the reading requirements. You're going to see a link here that will take you to a web page that will tell you a little bit about George Orwell that you can visit. In addition, there will be a link here where you can get the online text. However, I would really encourage you to get a copy of the book, either through the library, or sometimes you can get the ebook for a pretty inexpensive price, or sometimes even free. So you're going to find that information. In addition, you are going to find the reading schedule. Don't fall behind in your reading. This is what will keep you caught up so that you're able to accomplish this quarter in 10 weeks. The book is basically going to be divided into 3 parts, and you'll have about 80 pages average to read, which really isn't a lot. If you think about it, it's about 10-15 pages a week, or excuse me, 10 or 15 pages a day, which really is not going to be that difficult for you. There will be assignments and quizzes that will given each week to kind of correspond with the reading schedule. There's also a link here for the study guide. You're going to copy the study guide into your own computer, fill it out as you read, and then you'll hold on to this week 9 and turn that in, the whole study guide in during week 9. There's also a link here with vocabulary. It will take you to a site. So let's go ahead and go to that site. You're going to see that these are 65 words that you should know. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do a written assignment. You don't have to look up those words or anything. It will also tell you like what chapter it's in, what page number. Although notice that sometimes these page numbers are not going to be exact with the copy of the book that you get. But it will have the word, the definition. You can do some practice with it. You can, share the list, whatever you need to do. You can copy the list. You can print the list. But these will be the words that will be on the final test. So you'll want to make sure that you look at those words and study those words each week. Okay, so that will be the first page that you look at, and it's just a content page. So, but I would read everything on that content page and make sure that you understand what is required of you. Okay, so your very first assignment is going to be information about the novel itself. And again, remember you can complete any of the assignments in the testing location. There will be a teacher there that can help you with those assignments. Okay, so you're going to watch a video about 1984, and it's a great video that has a great overview. And then after you are finished with that, you are going to answer these 4 questions. And basically, in 2 paragraphs, you're going to describe your vision of the futuristic society. Use these questions as a guide to kind of help you with that, to complete those 2 paragraphs. Be sure that you're very descriptive. I want to be able to see what is in your head about what you think the future looks like. Also know for every assignment there is a rubric. This is how I will grade you. So please make sure that you look at that rubric, look at what is expected of you in order to receive the full amount of points possible. Okay? All right, next assignment will be an introduction to George Orwell, in which you will take a look at who he is. There will be a link here, a video that you can look at, and then you're going to submit 5 questions and answers. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to write down 5 questions on a piece of paper that you'd like to ask George Orwell if you were interviewing him. And then you're going to watch the video, and then you're going to write your answers to your 5 questions. Okay? All right. Next. The next assignment is the historical background to the novel. It's really important that you talk about or that you learn about the historical background. So read a little bit about what was going on during that time period, and then you're going to click on the assignment. So you click on the link to download the assignment, and then you'll click on the page here, and that will pull up the assignment, and then you'll go ahead and complete the assignment there. Okay? All right, so that's the background information. And the next assignment then is a discussion. And in this discussion, you're going to think about those who would exchange freedom for security deserve neither one. So think about that particular statement. And then under what circumstances would you be tempted to exchange freedom for security? Explain your reasoning. After you have posted your responses, respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. So you have to put your response here. Once you put your response in, then it will open up the discussion, and you'll be able to see the 2 classmates that you can respond to. If there happen to not be 2 classmates, please message me and let me know, and I will either go on and you can respond to my response, or we'll find an alternative assignment for you. Okay? All right, so that is basically what you'll be doing this week. You want to get your reading started, because at the end of week 3 will be when the first part of 1984 will be due. And also remember that if you have any questions at all, to email me or message me through the Canvas system, and you can do that through the inbox, and then write a message to me if you have any questions, okay? All right, and that should do it. Good luck and have fun.